And we're back! Apple pie, tuna pie at pizza pie. Yan ang mga karaniwang uri ng pie na naririnig natin at natitikman. Pero nakatikim na ba kayo ng mud pies? Kung hindi pa, syempre huwag nang mag-alala dahil yan ang katatakaman po ninyo at kabubusugan ngayong umaga kasama si Miss Margaret Mendoza at Miss Regina Buzon ng Sugar Stop Cakes and Pastries. Good morning, Miss Regina and Miss Margaret. Welcome sa homepage.
Yes, thank you. We're happy to be here.
Gusto ko malaman ng ating mga taga-subaybay, ano ba itong tinatawag na mud pies?
Ang mud pie, yan yung version namin of Mississippi mud pie. It has a crust, meron din siyang filling, and then dalawang klase ng icing on top. Yes.
So yun na yung pinaka-description ng mud pie.
Yes.
Kasi dito sa nakikita ko sa aking harapan, ayun,
Yes.
nagkalagnagan na, no? Mukha siyang cupcake kasi ang liliit, no? Pero ano ba ang kaibahan ng mud pie sa cupcake?
Well, kasi po, ang cupcake, it has basically two parts. Meron siyang cake, and then on top is the icing. But this one, it has actually 5 layers yan. Kasi twice siya binibake, meron siyang crust, meron siyang filling, and then we top it with 2 different icings. Yeah, and then additional na lang if you want the toppings, like for this one we have shaved chocolate, and then the other one is peanut butter.
Siyempre, susunod na itanong ng ating mga viewers affordable ba ang inyong mud pie kumpara sa cupcakes?
Yes, definitely it is very affordable. For 1 piece, it's just 15 pesos. And then, nagbebenta kami per dozen or 2 dozens. That is around 180 to 200 pesos.
Ayan.
Yan.
Meron bang iba't ibang flavors ang inyong mga mud pies? Kasi sa nakikita ko, meron parang brownies dito, merong kulay raspberry ba ito?
Actually, we have 3 flavors. The first is our best seller, yung Mad Mud Pie. And then we have the Naughty Naughty Mud Pie.
Naughty Naughty Mud Pie.
Yes.
Hindi naughty naughty, ha?
And then the one over here is Red Velvet Mud Pie.
Aba, ito palang hawak ko
Yes,
na ito
that is
kanina,
red
ang
velvet.
red velvet mud pie.
It has cream cheese toppings also. Yeah.
Well, tell us about your Banafil Love naman.
And then, it's also our best seller actually.
Talaga?
Ito
Which
po,
is?
we made
Mas
something
malaki.
specially for you. Yes.
Mas malaki siya.
It's made of yung graham crust, tapos may bittersweet chocolate ganache, yung parang chocolate and whipped cream. It's a mix, and then dulce de leche, bananas, and then our very light whipped cream on top.
So yun pala yung inyong Banafil Love.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's made with love.
Madali lang bang gawin ng mud pie? Kunwari ako, gusto kong matuto, di ba? Sa bahay.
Of course, pwede po kami magturo sa inyo.
Talaga?
Yeah. Opo.
Meron kayong yung parang mga recipe na pwedeng sundan, tapos yung inyong guide, mga ganon?
Madali pong gumawa nun, basta po kayo.
Basta ako lang daw, ha? Thank you so much, Miss Margaret.
Alright,
and
thank
Miss
you very much.
Thank you for having
Regina.
us.
Thank you po.
Ayan. At ng ating Sugar Stop Cakes and Pastries, syempre after nito, susunod agad ang Discarte at Home at Trivia of the Day.
Sa homepage at home ka, kami ang tahanan mo. Sa umaga, sa umaga, sa umaga, oh, sa umaga.